So today we're gonna be cooking some potatoes. Where the heck are
some
potatoes?
delicious potatoes.
Where are the potatoes?
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for Felipe's videos come up in your phone. And let's get this up to 3 likes. And make sure to subscribe and share this with your friends, family, grandma, grandpa, dad, uncle, auntie, your whole entire family. And there's some people that see Felipe's videos and then do not subscribe. So make sure to do that, okay? Okay? I believe in you, man. I'm believing you. Yeah, you right there. Yes, Frank. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out. Okay, yeah, Frank. Frank. Do it, Frank. I'm believing you, Frank. Okay.
Do
Frank.
it. Do it,
Frank,
Darren.
Michael, Ashley,
Darren. Darren, I know you're watching this.
Jaden, make sure to do that, okay? Okay.
Do it
I know
right
you
now.
did. I know you did. Okay. Do that. Do it.
Okay, so let's start with cutting the potatoes.
I cut the other potato. Let me cut the other potato.
Hey, I'm not done. That's not how you cut it. No. It's this way. No, you suck at cutting.
You're supposed to not use that super sharp knife.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm gonna cut that potato.
Yeah, you're not cutting no potatoes.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I need another knife.
Yes. Get a different knife. Because you're not cutting my potatoes with my knife.
Where's the other knife?
The other knife is right there.
No, I need the other knife.
So let's start cutting the potatoes.
You didn't even let me cut the potatoes.
Yes, I did.
Can I cut it into little pieces?
Cool. No, that's not how you cut the potatoes.
Boy, you even saw me cut before? Okay, cut it.
I have it.
Cut it in half. I don't want to get cut by the knife. Do not do this at home. It's dangerous.
I know, right? Unless you're
Oh my!
unless you're Gordon Ramsay, you don't do this at home.
Okay. Sorry, negative. It's too big. This one is too big.
Cut in pieces.
Oh.
So, guys, again, just like Felix said, Darren, I know you're watching this. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget that. Those are the three rules of the channel. Subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below if you want a part 2.
No, look. When you get this up to 3 likes, we do a part 2. You know. I got you, Michael. Michael, I know you can do this, man.
So,
George, man, stop dancing and help me. Jeez, you dance so much.
I know, right?
I know he's in music class, but
I'm in drum line though.
still muse.
What is wrong with you, kid?
You calling kid?
Well, probably a lot since I found you on the street.
He did find his street.
So, dude.
You just lying.
No, you're not. Yo no estoy diciendo mentira.
He always lies. Oh. Look at this. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. Looks weird, right?
Guys, my phone might turn off, so like, if I randomly cut the video and go back on it, that's because my phone turned off, and I made another clip after.
Yeah, because he sucks.
Y tú?
Oh, you forgot to get the skin off the
No, I like skinny potatoes.
Oh,
Potatoes
but are you
with
weird?
skin. I like potatoes with skin.
Cooking with Felipe.
AKA Furious.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a plate.
Not yet. Wait,
Okay.
So
That
yeah,
plate?
get that black. Oh my god, this kid just randomly got a plate.
Bro, stand and I want to open. Oh, yes. Forget it.
Don't get that plate, jeez. Be right back, guys. He doesn't know how to get plates because that plate's dirty as hell.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
Yay!
Washing with Felipe.
Well, wash it with Felix. They can't even see you, so huh?
Then we have to wet the fries, cook the fries, put some salt in the fries.
And first of all,
That's why we need another plate.
yep, we need a very different plate. Not dirty, so. So Yeti Walkers, aka Yeti Walkers, Kangaroo Gang, Furious Squad.
Hi, how you doing?
Whatever.
I cannot find a plate.
Why can't you? The plates are down here.
Why you didn't tell me?
Cause you should know by now that the plates should be down there.
Like, I live in his house and I don't know where the plates are.
You don't live in my house.
I'll put the delicious fries over here.
Ow!
Then we're gonna put some salt.
Bro, you don't live in my house. That sucks. You're a random kid who got in my house.
Then why will you let me?
Cause you're broken. And I'm just making a video with you because I'm lonely.
I'm just kidding, like, he's my friend.
No!
We've been in the same school since, like, for 5 years.
Wait for 3.
Oh, just for 3 years. 3 years?
I've known Omar for 6 years. There's no way I've known you for 5 years.
Omar for 6 years?
Since we were 4.
Wait, who's Omar?
You don't know Omar?
Yes.
He's been on my videos a few times. Swag boy.
How many?
Swag boy.
Boy, where you put that potato over there, man? That thing look dirty now.
It's hot.
That dirty potato.
So make sure to leave that like.
I cut this potato.
Leave that like or I'll delete
Here,
your
you get the small potato.
Leave that like or I'll delete your Fortnite account.
He's playing with you guys. He would never do that. He
know.
He love you guys.
Heck yeah, I do.
He's just gonna say, heck, no, I do. Okay, he's weird. He like potatoes with skin.
Who doesn't? Wendy serves them with skin, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, you ate them with skin?
Yeah.
He liked potatoes with this, look. With the skin of the potato. You
So?
should eat potato with blank. Not with the skin.
I like eating the skin of the potato.
Now we got a whole lot of skin.
Potato skin. Damn it, it fell. Potato skin.
It's so weird doing a video with a random guy that just came inside my house.
Bruh, you came in my house. You're a random kid.
Look who's talking, the random guy.
Oh my god, that's not how you cut potatoes.
I'm cutting the skin.
Don't cut the skin. The skins are good.
Yeah, for you, not for me.
Stop cutting the skin, dude.
Look. He's gonna cook the potato with the skin.
So it's good at that.
Now when he cook with the potato with this, when he gets super explosive, popo or diarrhea, I have to call 911. Now we do not need these pieces. Open the trash for me, sir.
No, yes we do. Don't be such a waster. And
Yes.
potato wasters.
We need that.
Leave a like for potatoes.
We need this. Potatoes. We love potatoes.
Potato are.
Okay, we do not need no more pieces. A little fry.
Go in the comment section and spam #PotatoArmy.
And comment or you like this video, there's no maybe so I don't know. Okay, so Felipe, he just danced. How to clean the knife? Okay, I need to do this in the trash.
Oi. So time to take out that to cook.
Boy, why you put it out there? Okay, you need to wash that thing.
No, I don't.
Your mom even let you cook?
Heck yeah. I'm a pro chef.
Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side.
Now I gotta hold my phone.
Hold my phone.
No,
I'm gonna be the cameraman.
Okay, so time to put them in back.
Oh, you didn't know I'm the cameraman? Yeah. I'm a good cameraman.
Yeah.
But yes, no, yeah.
Now it's time to turn this on. Turn that baby on. Put them fries in.
Look at that. Look how sexy. Boy, you didn't even clean that thing.
Don't need to. Like, why would I just... And bruh, I put this oil in like an hour ago. So what's the point of cleaning it?
Man, this boy. Ay.
Leave
He's like.
comment #Felix is the oil waster.
Look who's talking. That thing being put there. Like For days. For days.
It's been there for an hour or two.
2 weekends. 2 weekends.
2 hours. 2 hours.
2 years. 2 years. 2 years.
2 centuries.
That been there since his mom, grandpa. He have a mom, right? And that been there for his mom and grandpa. Like his mom, dad. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that sexy.
Look at that grease.
I'm gonna look for the salt. The sexy salt.
Why do you call
Salt.
Salt is
Sexy.
not sexy.
Like salt is so sexy.
Not for me.
I'm checking the microwave. I don't know what is that. Felipe is crazy. Just read my lip. Felipe is crazy. Felipe is crazy.
Felix. You that neck.
Oh.
I got that neck. Okay, guys, so we're kind of gonna cut the video right now, and
Goodbye.
Wait, put it back on.
Goodbye. Before we started the video, the cat just said hi.
The cat literally went like this.
The cat literally went like hi. He's sleeping. So cute little cat.
Hi, my name's Sebastian. How are you? Go meet my sister, cause I don't want to be bothered right now.
Okay. Bye. For some reason I said she. For some reason I said he. Because I wouldn't be inside his house, but like for some reason that. Oh my God! You guys saw the video, and you guys know what I meant. Okay. Let's get back to Felipe over here.
So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video and wait till the fries
Felix
are
has to
done.
leave,
So I guess we're on our own. Okay, my cat's just staring in there. What the hell was that?
Bathroom's closed.
Guys, what the hell was that? How was the door open? Wasn't it closed a second ago? No. Okay, this is weird. I'm getting scared. So yeah, guys, I'm a little creeped out. I'm gonna check.
Sorry.
Okay, run! Run for your life! Run for your life! She has the right idea.
Oh, the cat.
Sebastian, you're gonna die! Stop running! Run!
Okay.
Yeah, I hope you guys like that little
Damn it,
the fries aren't done.
So the fries are not done. We're gonna play some games in his room. So you know what we're gonna do? So yeah.
Oh, time to teleport. Okay, we just got here.
So I got no idea what we're gonna do. We can play with the drone, play with Nerf ball. Look at this. Is it even a Nerf? No, this is not a Nerf gun.
So guys, we're gonna have a little montage of the fries cooking. Hope you enjoy. Or kind of like a time lapse, not a
slow mo.